In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TickTick account. Now, TickTick allows you to stay organized, or it allows you to organize your work and even utilizing their really cool calendar here. As you can see, it says join millions of people to capture ideas, organize life, and do something creative. You can easily go ahead and sign up on the upper right. And one of the cool things is that they have an app that you can download on your PC as well. Now, let's get started. Go ahead and click and sign up for free in the upper right hand side. And you can quickly sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or if you click more, you can do it via Facebook as well. Now, I'm going to choose Google account here. So continue with Google, select my email address. Now, from here, just simply click on continue. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and you can choose your feature needs and all of these things. You can choose it or you can just skip right towards the end and you'll be able to set it up later. As you can see right here, I am in it and this is what it looks like, guys. And you can go ahead and you can start playing around with it. But if you like to learn more, let me know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to create a dedicated playlist where I show you multiple tutorials on how you can use TickTick so that you can become more comfortable and better using the application here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.